Using SushiSwap with MetaMask allows you to trade, provide liquidity, and manage your decentralized finance activities securely. Here's how to use SushiSwap with MetaMask. Install MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask installed, download and install the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app from metamask.io. Set up MetaMask. Create or import a wallet using your seed phrase or private key. Ensure your wallet is connected to the Ethereum mainnet. Connect MetaMask to SushiSwap. Visit SushiSwap and click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Select MetaMask from the list of supported wallets. A MetaMask pop-up will appear, prompting you to connect your wallet. Click Connect. Swap tokens. Once connected, you can swap tokens directly on SushiSwap. Choose the token you want to swap from the first drop-down, then select the token you wish to receive. Enter the amount for the swap and review the transaction details. Confirm the swap in MetaMask. Provide liquidity. To earn rewards, provide liquidity by adding tokens to liquidity pools. Navigate to the pool section, choose a pair, deposit tokens, and earn sushi or other incentives. Manage transactions. Track your trades, liquidity, and rewards directly in MetaMask, ensuring secure access to your funds.